Alright, we are live. Neil Presley's roof. He's installing this wonderful green roof system and having fun doing it. Heading over to the pulley system. What inspired you to do a green roof, Neil?
Just a lot of different things. I've seen Rob Roy's up in New York. He probably was my big influence. And seeing that green tour last summer, it really got me inspired. The living roof tour. Oh, a little Caddy Wampus here. Up, 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 up.
Up.
There you go. Sorry.
I couldn't hear what you said.
Down a little bit.
Down.
Good.
I thought you said it was a little Caddy Wampus.
I did.
What on earth is a Caddy Wampus?
Yep.
And how am I supposed to know if that means up or down?
Should be walking over.
Ms. Sattler?
Yeah, it means something.
I don't really have a choice here.
Rich, have you ever heard of Caddy?
So you have to do it right.
Yes, I have.
You have to do it right to left.
You do.
I'll pull one of these out.
Because the systems fit together better.
Yeah. You had it designed. I'll bring a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 more. 4 more. 3 more after this one. Good.
The most excellent pulley system that Neil rigged up.
Okay.
Why do you have to go left to right?
Right to left.
Right to left.
Because that's how they interlock. Right when the edge has to lift up a little bit. I mean, these last two I'm going to put in backwards, but that shouldn't be an issue. And I can't pull these things out until I do that last row. Three more.